In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently set the item location on eBay. Whether you're creating a new listing or updating your existing inventory, setting the correct item location is a crucial part of managing your eBay store. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end of this, you'll be confident to customize your item locations effortlessly. Starting with new listings, as you set them up, you'll need to address the item location details. Once you're at the listing creation page, you'll want to navigate towards the Preferences section. This is typically found as you scroll down, so keep an eye out for the Preferences heading. Here you'll notice a pencil icon situated next to your settings. This icon signifies that you can make edits, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up fields where you can enter or update your item location. It's important to be precise here, inputting the correct city, state, and zip code for each item you're listing. Once you've entered these details, the item location will be saved with your listing, ensuring that potential buyers have accurate information about where the item is shipped from. Now, perhaps you want to update your default item location across all future listings. To do this, start by logging into your eBay account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where your name is displayed. Hover your mouse over your name to unveil a drop-down menu, and from this menu select Account Settings. This section is your control center for all account-related preferences, including addresses. Within the Account Settings page, look for the Addresses link. Clicking on it will take you to a section where all your saved addresses are listed. Here, it becomes easy to manage and update each address. Locate the particular address that you wish to change. Next to it, you'll find an Edit option. By selecting Edit, you'll be able to make the necessary changes to this address. So go ahead, update the details, whether it's the city, state, or zip code, and ensure everything is current and correct. Once you've made those updates, be sure to save the new information. This sets the revised address as your new default, impacting all future listings you create. And there you have it. By ensuring each item's location is up to date, you enhance your store's transparency and reliability. I hope this guide has been helpful and empowers you to manage your eBay listings with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.